Hey guys, in this lecture we are going to say about Amazon CloudFront. So CloudFront is an edge computing. Okay, so it has 200 plus 600 plus of point of presence Amazon. So it catches the content from the origin. Okay, and then you can access the contents very quickly. Okay, so for that you first need to create a distribution. Click create distribution. So choose the origin. So you can choose different types of origin like S3, load balancer, API gateway. Okay, but I have a S3 bucket, so I'm going to choose S3 bucket as an origin. And so origin access. So the main benefit of the CloudFront is that you don't have to enable S3 bucket as a public. You can use CloudFront domain and add origin access control settings so that you so that only CloudFront can access the S3 bucket access. Okay. So I already have this origin access, but if you don't have it, you need to click create new OAC and name will be taken already say automatically and click create. Okay, so I'm going to choose the existing one. CloudFront will give you the S3 bucket policy. Okay, um, by filtering out the CloudFront related services in the policy. You need to add that in bucket policy. Okay, so you will get that policy once you create the distribution. Okay, so remaining all are default. Okay, and click create distribution. Yeah, so publication firewall we don't need. We can click do not enable. Create distribution. Here you can see you get S3 bucket policy need to be updated. Copy this policy and go to the S3 bucket that we added as an origin, and in permission edit this policy. Okay, so you might have empty or you might have a different policy, but you need to copy and paste this policy because even if we have the same, right, the distribution is different. Okay, so click save changes. Now here you can see this bucket is only allowed to this specific cloud distribution that we CloudFront distribution that we created. Okay, so now go to CloudFront. You can close now. So if you actually accidentally closed that policy, right, you can also check that policy. Click origins, click this is created origin and click edit, and if you go here and you can copy policy here and then add that policy into S3 bucket. Okay, so I think now distribution is in creating stage, so it will take some time. Okay, it is enabled but it is deploying. Okay, so we can try access the CloudFront now. Yeah, it will take some time. We will check after some time. Yeah, now distribution is deployed. Okay, so let me take this CloudFront distribution domain. Okay, so it is not directly accessible, so we need to click the object name. Okay, yeah, so I'm able to access the object from the CloudFront domain. Okay, so I can also check coffee.jpg. Okay, similarly I can check beach, which is in images folder. Yeah, okay, so and this will be very quick because it is catched in the CloudFront edge computing point of presence. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, this is it about CloudFront. Thank you. We will see you in next lecture.